This is Spatial AI Workbench, a companion ecosystem that augments apps running on a virtual display. Here, the editor is augmented with contextual widgets and a team of AI agents. Each agent brings a specific area of expertise: scripting, 3D, 2D, and so on. They can act proactively based on what's selected or respond to a simple gaze. Write a script to spin a game object over time, and the result will drop right into the project, no more repetitive copy pasting. Let's talk about widgets. Think of them as specialized input devices like this Stream Deck or this 3D Space Mouse. And this camera rig is basically a virtual equivalent of the 3D mouse, allowing you to navigate scenes in a more intuitive way. Unlike now, they don't just sit on your workspace all the time, they show up only when needed. That's why these widgets are contextual. When a humanoid is selected in your project, this inspector appears. It previews animations and lets you make adjustments just by grabbing the puppet's joints. That one helps set the position of spatial audio sources and to visualize the balance. And here, the shader ball reflects the selected material, which is the only reliable way to see how RealityKit will truly render it in headset. And the last one, this audio mixer, is a perfect example. It could control and monitor sound within one app or manage audio across the whole system. To summarize, all these widgets you've seen can either extend a specific app as an inspector or a controller, or integrate more broadly with the OS.